Hello mga katito at katita, meron na naman tayong isang event na binisita. And of course, meron tayong isang kasama ngayon na mag-introduce na isa sa mga sponsors dito sa ating event.
Hi, my name is Alan Rose, nurse from Intercare Hospital.
Sa ideas naman, ano ba meron dun sa Intercare Hospital?
Yeah, Intercare Hospital, located sa Olympia City. So if you're familiar with that, so madami kaming services na ino-offer. So general services, meron din kaming emergency, that's 24/7. Maternity, yun na yung bagong service. And also inpatient, so 24 hours we're open, vaccinations, and we do also have different nationalities of doctors. So yeah, mind you guys, you have Filipino doctors na din.
So yung mga healthcare professionals nyo is let's say, we can say na all around the world sila nanggaling. Tapos so nandito sila sa Intercare to provide that service dito sa Cambodia. Siyempre, the best sa pag-aalaga mga Pinoy. Nurses na Pinoy, doctors na Pinoy. So, yun. So, Miss Allen, paano nila kayo makakontakt?
Oh yes, ito yung number namin, 023-996-600. So yun yung emergency number namin. So they're open 24/7. So anytime you can call us.
I'm sure meron silang Facebook, Intercare Hospital. So yun lang mga katito at katita. So once again, salamat Miss Allen for this time and good luck. First of all, please introduce yourself.
Yeah, I'm Ken from Malaysia. Yeah, I'm a sales manager from Prince Brewing.
Let us know what is Prince Brewing.
Okay, Prince Brewing actually is a restaurant, lounge and bar, but we do have a brewery. We do craft beer for cans and draft, and we supply to every outlet in Phnom Penh, like restaurants, supermarket, mini market, or hypermarkets.
Do you have any Filipinos in your company?
Of course, actually we have 3 Filipino.
Okay.
Yeah, 3 staff. It's a management level.
Okay. So what can you say about these 3 Filipinos in your company?
Well, awesome actually. Yeah, they do their job very well. Of course, and they are very aggressive. Yeah, same as me.
Filipinos out there, even not Filipinos, please visit and try Prince Brewing and visit them just here around in Phnom Penh, and maybe just ask for Ken and you will have great discounts, right? Oh, yes, of course. Isa sa mga magagaling na performer dito sa Phnom Penh. So unang-una, madam, tayo ka muna, madam. Nakatayo na po siya. So, ma'am, introduce mo muna yung self mo.
Hi, my name is Gabe.
Bakit nandito ka ngayon?
Yes, because I performed earlier. I'm the first performer here at the Bridge Pool Party. And this is so amazing party ever.
So guys, if you want some good entertainment, kung kailangan nyo ng magaling na singer, kailangan nyo ng magaling na gitarista, bassist, so kontakin nyo lang si Jabe. So yun mga katito at katita, if you want to have Jabe in your any kind of event, so just contact her in Facebook, or you can also ask me, then I will give her your contact. So maraming salamat mga katito at katita. Bye!
Thank you, manager!
Ako nga pala si Mark, CEO ng Duo Clothing.
So si Mark, may-ari tsaka founder ng Duo Clothing. Kasi alam ko nag-upgrade ka na ulit buhat din sa last natin, okay?
So yung first season natin dito sa The Bridge is ngayon nag-upgrade tayo. So may mga dadagdag tayo mga produkto. So yung main purpose ulit natin is yung customized t-shirt. But ngayon meron tayong jerseys, all type of sports like basketball, volleyball, darts, and football. Lahat ng sports, kaya natin gawin. Meron na din tayong sublimations like printing, this printing and designs. So we have here my
Tayong caps.
sombrero, lanyards, lahat ng klaseng print and designs, meron tayo niyan.
Dot. So, boss, introduce mo naman yung sarili mo, sir.
Ako pala si Andot, aka Kamay Sukbun. Ako po ay nag-i-stay dito sa Cambodia from Chnam.
5 years! So yun mga katito at katita, si Mark from Duo. Eh si Andot, alam ko isa sa mga sikat na dance group.
Team ko, shout out sa WBC here sa Cambodia. Ako lang po yung Pinoy. Let's go.
So nag-iisang Pinoy na sikat na group dito sa Phnom Penh, dancers. So kung kailangan nyo ng entertainment, si Andot. Kung kailangan nyo ng magandang shirt, siyempre nandito si Duo. So, yo! Kung nakakuha tayo ng chance para ma-interview natin yung nag-organize ng event na to. So sir, pakilala ka muna.
Cesar Marquez po, hello.
So Sir Cesar, so ano bang meron tayo ngayon dito sa The Bridge?
So the bridge is very generous in allowing us to have a mini concert. Tapos may job fair kaninang hapon, alauna. Tapos meron pang mga pa-raffle ang isang sponsor natin.
Ano ba yung group, ano ba yung company na nag-organize ng napaka-successful na event na to?
Ayan, thank you for asking. Marcom International and Magellan Communications is partnered with this event para maging successful. Ang goal actually namin is just to help people na si Magellan lalo is wants to employ a lot of people here in Cambodia, in the Philippines, in other countries. Tapos si Marcom is actually creating the platforms for different people. Also, like the artists that were here, they actually came here and wanted to actually just show off their talent. Ang gagaling nila, ang gagaling nila.
Okay, so yung Magellan, so it's an agency where they help people find good jobs.
Yes, they
Tapos, yung Marcoms is a international
marketing company.
marketing company. So to all the people out there, lalo na sa mga Pinoy na nandito sa Cambodia, kung nahihirapan kayo at gusto nyo makita ng isang legit at totoong agency, so contact Magellan.
Magellan yan, Magellan.
Magellan. Tapos yung Marcoms to all the companies out there who would like to organize. Kung if you're having a hard time organizing any event, so just contact Mr. Cesar and Marcoms. So sir, thank you so much for your time. I know you are busy.
Yeah.
And marami pa tayong gagawin sa likod. Okay mga katito at katita, so dahil maganda na naman yung event, so nandito na po yung ating part 2 interview with Dalagang Pilipina, Miss Janine.
First of all, welcome to the party, full party, part 2 of the Bridge Club.
Okay, so mama, promote mo naman yung hotel nyo ngayon. Ano bang mga promotion?
Currently, we have the promotion and $35 with breakfast included. Valid only for today. So tomorrow it's regular rate, so 35 without breakfast. So what are you waiting for, guys? Book now at the Bridge Club.
Okay, so yun guys, you heard the good offers here in the Bridge Club. Continue to follow their page. Stay tuned lang sa mga announcement ng The Bridge. And there are more surprises and parties like here. Of course, The Bridge.
Bye.